was a super easy flight. It was like a half hour early. It like flew by. I see a rainbow. Yeah. Okay, we made it to the hotel room in St. Maarten. We're staying here for one night and then tomorrow we get our sailboat. So we're going sailing with 3 other couples and our friend is actually going to be captaining the boat. So it's going to be really fun. I've never been on like an overnight boat, so I don't really know what to expect. I'm really worried I'm going to get motion sickness. What I'm most concerned for is like I'm trying to go to bed and I'll be like getting motion sickness or something. That would be really not fun. Good morning, it is now Tuesday. We woke up in our hotel room in St. Maarten and today's the day that we go pick up the boat and we start our sailing trip. Just push it in with your, yep. You never been to Aldi?
I've only been there once.
Okay, we're going to pick up provisions. We're going to Super U.
Oh, bang right to get wine. Might as well.
More than that? 2? Panda Farms. Oh my god, lentils. Definitely want to get lentils. We can make lentil tacos.
Oh, that sounds good.
We got our groceries and our driver was like, should I take you to the American grocery store or the French grocery store? And we said the French one.
Could not read a thing.
Had no clue what anything is. It was funny. We're getting our boat. Is it called a catamaran?
Yep.
Yeah. So we're chartering with this company called Moorings. And it looks like we're getting close. There she is. What is it called? Mad?
I think it's just mad.
Mad. I love it. We're taking off.
Colin's okay with that, right?
Yeah, I think so.
It's just going everywhere, honestly.
Welcome to my boat. Should we do boat tour?
Your unibrow could do a boat tour.
My unibrow will now show you around the boat. Welcome to Mad. This is the table and chairs area. I have no idea what the boat is. This the bow?
I have no idea.
Me either. This is this area. Come on. This is the captain.
Mr. Pete.
Hello, Pete.
Hello.
This is the kitchen. We're doing a boat tour.
A tour?
Yeah. This is Kirst.
Hi. Bonjour.
Bonjour. This is our dining room. I don't know what anyone's called.
Chart table.
Chart table.
That's the chart table.
We have a sink.
This is the galley.
And here we are. We're not sure. So that's the boat tour. Woo! Tell them where we're going.
Orens Bay? I don't know, something like that. On the north east side of St. Maarten.
We sailed all the way from here, up and around, all the way to here. And this is where we're staying tonight.
Grab right onto my shoulder.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm not one to talk. I got it. Oh, she's getting it on camera.
We took a dinghy ride over to St. Maarten and now we're gonna go try and find a place that's open for dinner. We don't have phone service, so we're just kind of winging it. We came to Sow. They actually had a ton of vegetarian options for us. We are very glad that we found this. And our other friends are eating right down the road. There's like a bunch of food in this little plaza here.
Oh, you having puppies? Yeah, you're having puppies? Wow. You're having puppies?
Yes,
Don't forget about me. Yeah. Wow.
Good morning. We just spent our first night on the boat. It is much more wavy than I anticipated. Actually, I was worried that I wouldn't be able to fall asleep because the rocking of the waves is pretty strong. But I slept pretty good. I just woke up one time to pee at like 4 a.m. and it's like 8:30 now. This is the size of our cabin. We went to bed at like midnight. We turned on the generator so we could run the air conditioning. It was so hot and humid down here. I'll give you a cabin tour. This is the bed. It's a good size. We have storage. I have my stuff stored on the steps right here. There's also storage in these drawers. More storage back here. Colin's suitcase. Little closet space. And here's the morning view. Here is the bathroom. A good amount of space. We have the toilet, which I'm kind of scared to use. I heard if you mess this up, it makes the whole boat smell really bad, so I'm scared to use the toilet. And then we have some storage behind here. It's all our stuff. And then shower. We have limited water, obviously, so you just kind of rinse off. That's pretty much it. That's our little room. Good morning, Fluff.
I can't see you. Oh, it feels so good.
I mashed up a banana, blueberries, oats.
Pour it out.
You can pour. Breakfast, and now we are setting sail for St. Barts. It's a bumpy ride. I feel so sick all of a sudden, so I'm just trying to look out straight ahead. Well, we made it! This is our first stop of the day. I forget what this island is called. So we were just sailing directly into the wind. Very choppy. Ready, Colin? Hope it floats.
Big.
I don't feel it.
Good.
Like this. We're finishing our voyage to St. Barts. We're almost there. We made it to St. Barts. Just took the dinghy over and we're gonna explore a little bit. How does it feel to be on land again?
So nice.
I feel wobbly. Look at our shops. That's like your bag, Fluff. Straw. Oh my god, I feel like nauseous. I am feeling so wobbly after getting off the boat for the first time.
I'm trying to make a dressing.
Oh, yeah, we need vinegar for dressing.
Pork dressing. What else could I put in there that?
No.
Thank you, Heidi. Sorry if it tastes like shit.
No, it's gonna taste amazing.
Or does it taste like anything?
Thanks for the dinner fluff. Mountain of rice. Come look how much rice I made. Dinner on the boat tonight, made by Chelsea. Looks so delish. Good morning. December. Well, it's the next morning. We took the dinghy back to explore St. Barts some more. We're gonna go check out this beach. I really don't know where we are because I don't have any cell service, so I can't really look at a map, but when I find out, I will let you know. That's a big salad. Well, we've been chilling at St. Barts all day. We were at a beach. Now we're walking around a little bit. Do you want a chocolate smoothie again?
Yeah.
Me too. Poisson, croissant, poisson, croissant. It's the French national anthem. It's really nice. Oh, it's beautiful. Can you explain where we are?
We're in St. Barts. We're in a little cove. It's like a private beach. And there's good snorkeling, and there's hiking, and there's no businesses. And just a few boats and us.
Gonna take the camera snorkeling?
Yeah.
You see the fish? I saw a red fish pink. This is the best beach. So it is now Friday. We sailed to a little cove this morning. It is so beautiful. Oh, I'm getting whipped by sand. I saw a ton of fish snorkeling just now. I don't know how much Colin vlogged, but I saw a bunch of rainbow fish, and it is just so beautiful here. The water is so blue.
And then there's two over there.
This water is crystal clear. Look how amazing this is. Well, we sailed back to St. Maarten and now we're gonna go get dinner and check out the town.
I got a little bird right here. Graceful entrance. He doesn't, we're in trouble.
If I go in, Heidi,
Watch your phone pop out.
it's not my fault.
Someone's phone.
You guys look so nice.
Hold up for a second.
I read in the guide that it's called Goonies. Oh yeah. And then I saw it on my phone too that has food and drinks and live music. But I'm not making any promises. I'm just saying I read about it.
8 people in the dinghy.
The light, we know.
Woo!
Melody puts the dog
That looks a little cozy on the back of that.
puts our headlamp on it.
Just kind of went in there and saw 100 boats.
Here.
Hey, you guys look nice. Gotta get some pictures.
I think so. Sorry. So bright. That looks amazing.
We have like everything else.
Good morning. It is now Sunday. Yesterday we sailed to an island called Anguilla and spent the night at this super remote little bay. I'll insert the name here. Spent the night in Crocus Bay. It was super private. We had pretty much the whole area to ourselves. And today we're gonna explore these other little islands around Anguilla. This is where we stayed last night. Crocus Bay. We're gonna now check out Prickly Pear Caves.
The dance floor the other night, Getting out before we get to shore. I'll get us closer, and then you guys just jump out, and then I'll bring the boat in.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Well, we just got absolutely drenched in the dinghy ride and then had to jump out and swim to shore, but we finally made it. So it looks like this little restaurant is open, but nobody brought their wallets. Definitely need to bring some shoes. Crocs would have been the perfect shoe for this trip, and we both did not bring our Crocs. It is the perfect water shoe and great for boating. And I was like, you know what? I want to bring a cuter shoe, so I brought Birkenstocks, but Crocs would have been perfect. Oh, just stepped in a puddle. Feels great after being on the boat for like 24 hours to walk around. So I love when we come to land and stretch our legs a little. this shell? Oh,
Fried.
what did you find? Food here, absolutely delicious. If you ever find yourself on this tiny island of prickly pear, the food is so good. You dancing?
More emotion.
All right, we're heading back to Crocus Bay for the night. Got more boats here tonight. There was nobody here this morning from last night. Sailboat. Let's go. We gotta swim back. We're gonna stay another night here in Crocus Bay. And we just walked up to this restaurant here. We just swam here to make a reservation at this restaurant. Now we're gonna swim back. This is the other restaurant here called Davida, but they're closed tonight for a private event. So that's why we walked up to the other one. There's only 2 restaurants in this bay. Very like remote.
Right in between the things.
Loaded up on the dinghy again. Here we go.
It's like
The best footage is getting on and off the dinghy, and I have not, I haven't recorded it one time.
Oddly graceful.
It was.
I looked really.
It was a full 360.
I was like pulling this gun on purpose. I was like, okay.
Look how beautiful. The next morning we are checking out of Anguilla and heading back to St. Maarten for our last day. And tomorrow we leave.
Drop you there, have something to eat, maybe take a little swim. St. Barts is expensive for nothing.
yeah.
For nothing.
Table bought a bottle of wine for 15,000, the other table buying one for 18, the next table will buy one for 20, and they only taking 2 shots out of it.
Yeah.
Well, the others are sailing, and me and Colin dinghied to shore to explore St. Maarten a little bit. So now we are walking around St. Maarten. We're in Grand Case Bay, and we're gonna go out to eat here later, but for now we're looking for like a smoothie or a juice place. Tonight's our last night. I feel like we didn't really explore the islands that much, like on land. Like I really had no idea what the surrounding like landscapes look like, so I'm really glad that we are here now to like kind of walk around a little bit. It's very like hilly and mountainous here. There's a big mountain behind us. I love how hilly it is here. I decided not to turn on my international data the first like few days, and I did a couple days ago just so that we could like navigate better and find restaurants and stuff to do. And after like a certain amount of usage, it knocks me down to like incredibly slow data, so it's like really hard to find anything right now. We are meeting back up with our friends who sailed a little bit more for dinner, so we have to be able to find them, and that's kind of a problem. Although a lot of places offer Wi-Fi, like when I didn't turn on my data yet, I just would go to restaurants and like connect to the Wi-Fi for like 20 minutes. Oh, they're coming back. Chelsea said we're pulling into the harbor.
Look at how What is that?
This is a cake of cocoa.
It was super good. I ate it.
Soursop sorbet. I needed a sweet treat. I was about to fall over. If I didn't get a sweet treat. Sugar.
There's added sugar in there.
For sure. So good.
The pepper is very good, but you guys be careful, it's very spicy.
Thank you. Yeah, I thought it was more flavorful than spicy.
It's time for everyone's interview. Yeah.
How was your trip?
What was your best part?
Probably the island on St. Barts.
Different.
No, the cove on St.
That one has
Barts.
a little more heat, but
Yeah.
You remember all
What was your favorite part of our trip?
how good our stuff.
Oh my god, can I come back to you?
That's awesome.
I love today's sale.
That started after I
I have to come back to you again.
Part of my favorite part of the trip was going to Lagoonies and having yummy food and watching
dancing.
you all salsa dance.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Salsa dancing.
You're piggybacking. What was your favorite part?
My favorite was we had a couple good days of sailing, loved that, and then yesterday at Prickly Pear when we got to like hike out onto the point and also have great food and great lunch there.
Yeah. Hell yeah, that was a good one.
Awesome.
Our lunch at Brooklyn Pear was the best food we've had all night.
You piggybacked twice.
Was that?
You piggybacked twice.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
She had to get her.
Oh, it was my idea.
I thought it first.
I haven't been paying attention. So I didn't know.
Dave, what was your
I
favorite
wasn't
part?
listening to anybody else.
At where we were yesterday, I don't know the name of it. Crocus? Crocus Bay, yeah. Crocus Bay.
What was your favorite?
Sunset,
Super chill.
That was
really
good
chill,
sunset.
Yeah.
good music, good beer. It was great.
Nice.
Heidi, what was your favorite part of the trip?
Give me a minute.
Give me a minute. Are you ready, Pete?
I think Prickly Pear was the best. Yeah.
Orient Bay, first night on the boat.
Orient Bay, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It was fun to
Yeah.
to the
Yeah.
The best sunset we had though was at in St. Barts when we were that night we stayed in Gustavia.
Oh, yeah.
That sunset was hands down by far the best.
Best part of this
Bread
trip
pudding.
was last Tuesday afternoon when we got on the boat until tomorrow morning.
Hell yeah. There you go, Dave.
There hasn't been too many bad spots, huh?
I'm gonna force Ron to go to salsa lessons with me. He wants to go, right?
Want is a strong word.
What sounds fun?
No, I think it'd be a fun activity. If you could go out and dance, and you were
It'd be fun to know how to dance so that anytime you went out, you could dance.
Good, and you'd feel like, oh,
Dude, you got it already though. Like you're good.
Thanks, bro.
Okay, I didn't do my favorite part of the trip. I don't even know if I vlogged this, but mine would be this restaurant called Lagoonies, and there was live salsa Latin music.
And it was a fun boat ride to the marina.
Oh yeah, we had to take the dinghy really
Very far, under two bridges, next to mega yachts. Yeah.
Oh, I didn't film this, but there was one night on St. Martin where waves were so strong.
No, we had our dinghy up on the beach, and then we had to put the dinghy back into the ocean to get back to the boat. And the surf was up, and it was 3-foot waves.
Yeah, and we were getting soaked.
They're crashing over the boat. It was we were literally going into them, and it was eye level, and they just crashed and just soaked everyone.
That's the content that is good content, and I didn't record because I was
Well, you would have lost the GoPro.
well, no,
for
I
sure.
needed my hands, but that's why they make GoPro straps. We have to soak in our last minute here.
Sure do.
And we have to breathe in the fresh air. We don't have air this crisp back home. We only have 2.5 hours left here. I strangely have way more room leaving. I don't know why. Like just yesterday, we were carting our groceries on board. Now, we're leaving.
Goodbye.
Well, we got our bags packed up, we cleaned out the boat, and we're heading to the airport. So that's it for this sailing Caribbean vacation. We'll see you next time.